We will often get calls from parents whose child was ticketed or arrested for underage drinking. And understandably, when we get calls from parents like that, the parents are very concerned, they're distraught, they're upset with their kid, and most importantly, they're unsure about what ramifications the legal process has in store for their kid. We will sit down with parents as well as the juvenile. We will explain the options. We'll talk about what we can do to minimize the impact this has for this kid's life. That's going to be a priority for us, and we will make sure that we advise our clients and their parents accordingly. The first thing that we do when a parent or even a juvenile contacts us because they have received a ticket for underage drinking, we want to let that person know that it's going to be okay. We want to manage their stress level. Very often, parents are concerned about the implications that a charge might have for the person's college prospects, for their job prospects, anything like that. And oftentimes, we're able to go over those things with our clients and let them know it's going to be okay, that we have a plan of attack, and that we have a lot of tools at our disposal to deal with these cases. Bottom line, we're going to let the parents, that we're going to let this family know that they're going to be treated like family and that they're going to get back on track. The biggest mistake that a family can make, if one of the family members, if parents have a kid who has been cited with underage drinking, the biggest mistake they can make is to just assume that it's going to be okay and that it's all going to work out. In most cases, that is the case, but the reality is it's always a great idea to talk to a criminal defense attorney to make sure that you understand exactly what's going to happen in the jurisdiction that you're facing. You want to know how the prosecution is going to approach the case. We're former prosecutors. We can talk to you about that. Bottom line, we're going to go over your kid's case to make you and your kid feel assured that this is going to be a bump in the road. We're going to get your life back on track as quickly as possible. Maybe you think that you don't need an attorney. Maybe you're concerned about the cost. Look, it's always a good idea to reach out and talk to someone. We offer free consultations. You can pick up the phone, you can give us a call. Russ or I will talk to you about the facts of you or your son's case or your daughter's case. We'll go over your options. We'll hopefully make you feel better through the process. And if it makes sense for us to work together, we can go from there.